go.
Hey guys, Dr. Eric Smith at Victory Chiropractic. So I'm out of downtown Chicago. We're down in Frankfurt, and I'm with Dr. Anthony. So he owns the practice, and Dr. Anthony and I have been friends for years, just going through physical competitions and fitness and such with that. He's a great chiropractor. I've been dying to come down and see his new practice. So if you're in the Frankfurt area, I highly suggest that you check it out. And he has a few more things that I don't have in my practice. So you have cryo, right?
So yeah, we just put in cryotherapy. So whole body cryotherapy is a great way to help reduce inflammation in the body, and also the full Normatec compression system for athletes recovering from a heavy leg day, increased circulation, runners. So great tools to have in the office.
Yeah, so many different things that he treats. Today he's going to treat me for some things that I have going on. So earlier we kind of talked and went over a little examination with each other. So we're kind of ready to go and show you a couple great ways that two different chiropractors adjust each other. So,
all right, so go face down.
Cool.
Definitely some tightness in the lower back there. A little bit of rotation in the tailbone. Let's start off doing a little bit of decompression on the lower back. Get some movement in there. Anchor his legs here. Make them a little taller.
Doc, do you see kids at your practice?
I see tons of kids from infants all the way through adolescence. Just had a few families in here this morning. So I always say I adjust babies to beasts. So whole family practice. And so definitely get a lot of big guys like this in the office. Meet a lot of people at the gym who are like-minded like myself, keep it healthy. You tender down here?
Mm-hmm.
Do a lateral flexion in there. Alright, so what we're doing right now on this table is some flexion distraction. It's a great tool to help decompress the lower back. You know, all those corporate athletes who are sitting all day, and then people who are working out, do a lot of loading of the spine. It's a great tool to get some motion in there, decompress, and take some pressure off those nerves.
I love that. Corporate athletes.
Corporate athletes. If you're doing anything for 6 to 8 hours a day in one position, you gotta be training for it. Checking the tailbone here for rotation. Good. Feel the table move underneath you. Do a few drops on the pelvis. Line that up. Nice and even. Mid back now.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, lower ribs here, a little fixated. We'll take the hip here, a little twist, a little rotation. Oh. Deep breath for me. Right out. Good. Drop your arms down. Rotation in the upper back. Laterally flex opposite. Just a little stretch. Good.
Oh, that was great.
Oh, perfect. Alright, maybe on your side towards me, we'll adjust the lower back. Bottom leg straight. Right here, tuck the bottom head. Okay. This on this elbow.
Awesome. Oh, that's good.
These up.
Whew, that was good.
Now we're going to adjust your upper back and shoulders. Reach in under your scapula here, into your clavicle. Take a deep breath. Just drop your shoulder. That's a great adjustment for the posterior ribs, AC joint, shoulder joint. Whew. Deep breath. Yeah, tuck the chin. Good. All right, stay right there.
Oh, good.
All right, sir.
Whew. Man, that
All
was
back
good.
together.
That was good. So as you can see, got some great different techniques, and that's why I wanted to do a little bit of video with him, so to show the different ways that as chiropractors we assess the body and see what's going on. Obviously your brain is telling your body what's going on, and this gives us little signals as we look at posture and other things as we feel tightness. So pain isn't the only thing we're treating. We're really kind of treating how the brain's talking to the body, so the body can get back and talk to the brain. So obviously working on people like this, we also get things out of alignment, as well as some muscular connection. So I'm actually going to work on him now. So
I'm excited for it. It's been a while since I've adjusted.
yeah, how long has it been, would you say?
I would say I usually try to go every 3-4 weeks, but I've been letting it slip, so I need.
Yeah, Doc here's got baby number 2, right?
Baby number 2 due any day, so if my phone goes off and I have to leave, it's because the baby's coming.
Yeah, exactly. So, well, I'm going to have you lay face down for
All
me.
right.
If you guys have any questions on any of the techniques, or if something might work for you, or any questions at all that related to health that we might be able to, tighten there, man, that we might be able to answer for you, feel free to comment below, and one of us doctors will get back to you, or have our staff get back to you, so we can make sure that we're helping you out. And even if you're not in the local area, feel free to comment or share the video, so we can make sure that not only we find or help you find a doctor in your area, but we can also help somebody else. I mean, the greatest thing is like sharing the knowledge, right? And so this is part of the reason we do these videos. So Doc here is pretty kind of rotated to the right. One thing that we find, he's good, it seems like he's good at working from a couple sides of the table, which is nice, but we usually both have to get a little bit better on that. So really tight through here. Nice deep breath. All the way out. Good.
That's the one right there.
There we go. Very good. Go ahead and lay on your right side. Let that relax. Whoa, had to get off the ground on that one. So a lot of times people ask me as a chiropractor, how often do you get adjusted? I normally like twice a week, 2 to 3 times a week for me. So for him being 3 to 4 weeks, it's been too long. Good. I'm on your back. So Doc's been practicing for a while, but when you check out this practice, it's gorgeous. There's a lot of different things that they offer that maybe you haven't seen at other chiropractic, physical therapy, or massage places, but they do have a wide variety of different things. Check out their website. That will tell you a little bit about what they have going on. Ooh, right up here. Woo!
There we go.
There we go.
Perfect. Much needed.
We're gonna get this upper thoracic to loosen up a little bit. So you and I have a similar technique on this.
Yeah.
We just tuck that chin. Awesome. Good. One more. There it is.
All right.
Woo! Well, I feel great.
Yeah, it's
Move
much
around.
needed. Yeah.
Yeah. We both were kind of tight through here, as you can probably see in the video. We were just both really tight as we laid down. But like I said, check out your posture, take a look at a few things. If you guys have any questions, I highly suggest getting a hold of Victory Chiropractic if you're down in the Frankfurt area. And I'm downtown Chicago, and like I said, we'd love to answer any questions you have. And thanks, Doc.
Yeah, appreciate you coming down.
And thanks for watching the video.